In this tutorial, we are going to explore how to create pricing rules in Sigzen ERP. First, navigate to the pricing rule list and locate the Add Pricing Rule button. Once you've found it, click on it. Next, you'll need to enter the title of the pricing rule. In the Apply On section, select Item Code. Then, in the Price or Product Discount option, choose Price. For the Apply Rule on Item Code section, select the Item and Unit of Measure (UOM). In the Party Information section, check the Selling checkbox and select the applicable transport destination code. Moving on to the Period Settings section, set the valid from and valid up to dates. In the Price Discount Scheme section, choose the sales UOM and enter the rate as per the sales UOM. Don't forget to click on Save to save your pricing rule.